Hello guys, and welcome back to Bittruth with your host Mark Luther. In today's video I'm so excited to actually present you this video because you're going to understand in a minute. Of course, today's hash rate is really great in the last 6 hours, 1100 solutions per second. The current hash rate is 1300 solutions per second. Of course, we're mining Zcash, and just right now I got the payment. As you can see, this is the 44th payment, and as you can see on 11:24, so that's about like 5 minutes ago. Anyways, and this is the 44th payment. We got 0.4531 Zcash totally paid. Of course, after 5 days we will get 0.5 Zcash, so that's a half Zcash on my two GTX 1080 gigabyte model cards. And the shares, not much to look at, but at least they're above 1,000. Of course, the calculator is predicting that a month we are getting is $68. Of course, sorry guys, if we go here on the cryptocurrency market, we can see a bleeding, literally the market is bleeding to the ground. And if we reload the page, just a second, guys, and a lot of people just say just hodl and just wait it out. Okay, we can see like a bit of a gain right there. Hopefully we can like break out of this trend, because Ripple is 0.57, Ethereum $491. Neo lost more than its like 80% let's say price, which is really bad for Neo's stance. But this is the best for the people who want to actually to buy right now, because people actually used to complain on December that it's too just like not like you can't just buy it because it's so expensive. And so if you want to stake Neo and make a lot of profit, it's your chance literal right now before the market just bumps and you will just regret all the waiting. Of course, I'm not a financial advisor, but if you actually was just like really just sad and just like regretting what happened, I think this would be like a great chance for you. Of course, if we go here on Zcash, we had $208 worth of price, and of course Zcash is falling in a downtrend, as you can see. And hopefully at least Zcash didn't fall massively like other coins like G. Like if we just like put this, you can see some coins just losing more than 10% of their value. If you go on the gainers and losers of today, you can see like barely there's any gainers, any like above 20%. And right here you can see just like coins nearly losing 50% of their value. Nearly all of them are like right here, all of them are pump and dump. But even though that we're losing a lot of price in 24 hours, but hopefully we'll break out of this trend. Of course, the market cap is $283 billion. We're so far from $500 billion. Bitcoin dominance keeps rising, which really hires my confidence. And if we click here on the Bitcoin dominance, guys, yeah, you can see just a gradual rising throughout this year from starting 2018. So there is more hope for cryptocurrencies, but still there's a lot of negative and FUD news. But right now we have a new let's say a card we can sponsor for today. It's not that, it's here. And guys, I want to tell you that the GTX NVIDIA 1050 2GB model is shipping at $128 pounds, and free delivery in the UK. So if you live in the UK, what are you waiting for? Of course, this mines on Zcash. If you go here, it actually mines 170 solutions per second, which is $50, nearly $50 every day worth of Zcash. Of course, pound to USD is $179 worth of that card. It costs $179. So if we go here on the calculator and divide it by the price that we get, and keep in mind that these prices keep fluctuating. So if cryptocurrency just goes up, that means that this might turn to $1 or $2. Just a possibility. Okay, 414 equals, you will need about 448 days to break even, and still this is really bad. But of course, if cryptocurrencies rise up, that this price will really just go higher and higher, guys. So do I suggest you buying this card? I would suggest so, not because of the referral link, of course, but because what I believe is that once cryptocurrencies pump back up, this price will go up. So if you want even to like sell and buy this like GPU, I'm not saying you should like even mine with it. If you want to buy like a stock of it and sell it, that would be even nicer. Okay, you can make some profit when the price just doubles or triples. So really, I'm looking onto this card. I think I will buy one of these, at least one, because I'm just worried before the prices goes up, and we have only 30 left in stock, more on the way, but when things come on the way they really take a lot of time. Anyways, moving on, crypto news. We have unconfirmed report Twitter to ban crypto related ads. So if we click right here, guys, it's by the same person that we read a few days ago. Crypto related ads in response to regulation concerns. So really, also Twitter, Google have bashed on cryptocurrencies, and all of them it's because of these initial coin offerings. ICOs have really gave a bad name for cryptocurrency due to the fact that a lot of them are scams, pump and dumps, fake news, just like anything deceptive, and they just want to steal your money and nothing like good of a technology behind that coin. So also there's another piece of news I found really interesting, and it is Russian call for crypto hour, turn off all mining equipment for ecological awareness. So this is for like the Earth hour, you know, that comes like every year, and they say that you should like turn off your equipment for 24th of March, at least between this time, like for 1 hour. Now I don't know about you guys, but I think that if we mine at that moment, the difficulty would just skyrocket down if all miners go down. But let me like hear you guys, just like see what you think about this, and will you turn off the miners? That would be really interesting piece of information or like idea. I want to see down the comments down below. And really not much information to look at. Of course, the GTX 1052 gigabyte models. Of course, if you don't use my like referral link, at least go search 1052 gigabyte model and buy them. Of course, people are now saving for the P100. Of course, I'm not sure if the P100 will get released, because a lot of them are much of a rumor. Of course, I'm not sure if even Nvidia will like launch them. They said that they will launch like the Ampere back in like March today, like in these days, but right now you don't actually see that they're releasing anything. So really a lot of rumors just back and forth, and really a lot of imaginary hash rates for the P100 graphics card, and people saying that it can reach to a 1080 Ti performance. Of course, I believe that we still need to buy this 1052 gigabyte model. Of course, I'm also interested for the P100. I might buy it if it gets early and I can pre-order it. Other than that, sorry guys, I can't speak English. Other than that, I can't buy it from Amazon or eBay, because people are scammers on these websites. Of course, not scammers, I mean like everyone, but sometimes you see like shipping from China, or sometimes you see some scammers just like a package GPU. Actually, a lot of these stories happened like a lot, but I still believe that this card should be bought at the current rate. And of course, guys, let me know what you think about this card, and let me know what you think about the ROI of this card. Let me think what you believe that is the reason for this market crash. What I believe in that the amount of FUD have resulted in this crash. I believe that, and the amount of hate and Twitter banning and then Google banning, and I'm even worrying that YouTube will ban even cryptocurrency channels. That will just destroy the market. Like, we're getting bombarded every day with just strange news, pieces of news. Okay guys, so just hodl your coins. And this happens every year. Crypto crashes, it's normal, guys. And actually 2018 is the year of regulations, so we just need to wait it out. At least I will wait it out. If you don't want to wait and you don't have patience, just sell your coins. Anyways guys, thank you for watching. I don't want to ramble more, and see you guys on the next one.